Hey guys, this is Cyriljit, your friend in internet marketing, and I want to start off with a thank you note. It's been a fabulous year so far, and in 2019 we've done 5 launches this year already, all of them unique products that have a real value, products that have been maintained well, and products that actually help our customers. When I founded Teknikforce back in 2012, I started with a vision to create a company that makes real valuable products, that brings real value to our customers. And since then, I have grown in that direction. All my team, excellent team that we've set up, we are over 25 people now, and we are growing from there. Every one of us is committed to bringing value to our market, to our customers, and making sure that all our partners associated with us make money and are proud of being associated with us. So I've done several things for that. Like, one of the things I do is whenever I do promotions again for my products, now I do that often. Sometimes when there is nothing to promote, there's nothing to mail, I send out a mailer to my list, send out a mail to my list, but always with a direct link to the page, to the sales page, and that really brings in extra commissions for all of us. All of my products are evergreen so those of you who've been optimizing and making sales through YouTube videos, through blogs and other evergreen methods, I will be bringing sales to you for a long time, not just during the launch period. And of course, recurring is a part of every one of our funnels. Right after launch, we make sales because people come to us and buy the products because they love what we are selling, because they love the value, they love the fact that these products are well maintained. And the products are then recurring monthly or yearly, so we can look forward to commissions, we can look forward to sales year after year, month after month, and we work hard to retain each one of these guys, retain each one of our customers by making sure our products are updated very regularly. So all the products that I launched this year, we've updated them, we've improved them, we've listened to the feedback from our customers, and we've worked continuously to make these products better. Now, you know me, I'm operational in multiple niches, so I've got social products, I've got video products, I've got SEO products, and I make it a point to really put a lot of investment of brain power, of the heart. Every product that we design is made from the heart to be good. And we make sure that we actually reuse them, we actually put them to use, and we make sure that the results are very clear. So those of you who are connected with me, who know me, I do a lot of other stuff apart from launches too. I've got YouTube properties, I've got content websites and portals, and a number of different things are going on at all times. I'm very active with my different businesses on social media. I'm always trying out new stuff, learning new stuff, and all of that actually goes into building the products that we are putting out in the market. So this year in the beginning, I started improving one of my content websites. It's called Astrobix. And I grew it from 12,000 visitors a day to now over 20,000 visitors a day. Yesterday the number was 21,000 unique visitors a day. It's a very powerful growth. It's a very powerful content website, and I'm sure that I will be able to grow it much beyond this level. I'm thinking about 2x this level, even 50,000 visitors a day in just the next 12 months, and it's going to be a formidable number, and I'm confident that I will be able to achieve it with the SEO techniques, with the learning techniques, with the content techniques that we have put in place. And there is a lot of things that I have learned across this time. So I have actually accumulated all that learning, brought it together, and created a product that is very relevant to our markets. It's called CoreSEO, and CoreSEO is a unique and powerful SEO optimization software for our market that is based on real principles. It's not a secret method, it's not a magic trick, it's not an unused system. This is something that really works. This is something that I put in practice every single day, and this is how I grew a content website to 21,000 unique visitors a day. Guys, CoreSEO is going to be launched on the 25th of June, and it brings together a lot of learning, of real world learning that we have done, that my team has done personally, and we have put it together in the latest product that we are launching in CoreSEO, and it helps people with everything related to optimization. It helps our customers with on-page optimization, it helps them with off-page optimization, and it solves very, very important problems for them that are actually holding them back. SEO is simpler than we think, and it's a sad thing that many of our customers are just led into creating things that don't yield results. So I want to change that piece by piece by creating software that actually bring our customers results. CoreSEO is one of these products. I'm very proud of it. It's going to be an evergreen software. The launch is going to be something that I will make sure is usual as smooth. The pages, the copy, the sales video, everything is going to be first class, and it's going to be a $7,000 contest. Every month I give away more than $7,000 just in prizes, and since Jan this year I've given over $40,000 just in prizes to our affiliates. So guys, get on board this one. This is going to be a powerful launch again from the house of Jeet. It's going to be a good product. It's going to be a solid offer. It's going to be an evergreen offer, and I will make sure that all of you make money, all of us make money, and we are proud of bringing a product to the market that we can stand behind for months and months and years to come. And as usual, I'll be here to support you back. Since the beginning of this month, I have driven nearly 2,500 sales to my partners, to all the people who have launched good products in our market, and I want to keep that going. I want to keep that improving. So let me know about your launches. Let me know about what you are bringing to the table, and if it matches, I will certainly get on board, and I will do my best for you as my valued partner. So good luck for the CoreSEO promo. If you need anything from me, just talk to me. My team and I am standing by to help you with it and to make it a successful promo for you. This is my first SEO launch this year. I might do only a couple SEO launches, but I am making sure that it is the best and the most relevant and the most valuable SEO product that you have promoted so far. So get on board, promote something that's awesome, real, and that your customers will love you for. This is Jeet signing off.